But I had that Glock in hand, nigga. The motherfucking murder team, nigga. Fuck them goofy ass niggas, man. Solo dolo. Don't get ahead, nigga. I'm on that motherfucking net. It's Benji bullshit. Yeah, let's go. Damn. When you see me, little nigga, better have your Glock in your hand. Reaching for your bag, shoot your ass, get no fucking pads. Driving 24/7, she up and tryna shake her ass. 5-star shit, level up, niggas fucking broke. Driving in the night until the morning, ain't no giving up. Chasing dead presidents with a Glock, with a 50 round. Have you seen so many bodies drop to the fucking ground? Damn, this our pack hit and come and pick him up. Trucks hit his ass, now he dead. Riding around one in the head, bustin' off of what he said. My Glock not in the boxes in my hand. No Roddy Rich, I keep a plan. He said he not hot, but his man, they be tippin'. I'm looking for them green ass bitches that be dippin'. Getting drops, this shit a mission. Fuck your hoe, now she be trippin'. On to the next, this shit ain't stop. I really be living my life, I be poppin'. Too active nigga, I stay with a rocket.
See me, nigga, better get that shit up.
Keep on trying, good luck.
Don't leave the house without a tuck. Blue strips, blue face, bustin' nut all on her face. I made her come, I wanna race. Try shit ain't stoppin', beat the case.
Got him off the box, tryna spin back to back. Looking for them op niggas, get pinned on the map. Niggas be dissing in them songs with no strap. Looking for that blind nigga, hit him with the map. Taking strolls, tryna kill a nigga different.
Always got a plan, I always got a motherfucking mission.
Selling peas up in the school, they wasn't gon' stop me. I'm taking off like Nancy, might have need to set the copies. Goofy ass niggas gon' switch up on me. Fuck that shit, I'm thuggin', never need a fucking team. How you say you my brother, but ain't tryna tell me what it is. Fuck that shit, I'm toting on my Glock, tryna show him how I live. I was loving on Eve, but she ran to a bitch. If he keep on talking shit, drop that check on his head. If I can't get you in person, bust them shots at your head. Big tribe shit, nigga, dust the motherfucking pig. Hopping out any car, yeah, I do it the best. Face shot little nigga, got hit with no vest. Don't be dissing on the ground, just run up a check. How you gon' beef with me, but you down on your neck? Hop in the freeway, we fishin' the dirt. Niggas be caught, you know they be worried. Always keep that Glock up in your hand, cause you gon' need it.